Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2016 Subaru WRX STI. This one has a little bit of aftermarket goodies. I'll go in depth about the interior, but you can see a lot of carbon fiber pieces. It does have a P.O.V access port. Some more carbon fiber bits. Right now it's on the winter tires. I mean, we're starting to get close to winter anyway. But I think the owner told me that the previous wheel he had, he used these as his winter set. See, all carbon fiber all throughout here. Carbon fiber wheel with really great bolstering. Here's your P.O.V access port in carbon fiber. Short throw P.O.V shifter. Let's go for a drive. This thing is a lot of fun. Oh yeah. It also has a blow-off valve. Based on what I was scrolling through, the access port looks like this is a stage 1 tune. So nothing crazy. Man, are these things fun. I love the STIs. They are such a riot. I could sit there and play with that all day. The way this thing claws out of corners. I've never really been able to drive one of these on some twisty roads. It is absolutely amazing how well this claws out of corners. And right now we're on winter tires. I mean, that right there diminishes a lot of handling just by going to the winter tires. They tend to feel a little jello-y. At least that's what I noticed with my Focus ST. This one feels rock solid. These things are awesome. I love them every single time I drive one. I love it more and more and more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.